So, Bacha Party, how you all? I hope all are doing absolutely great and amazing, and you all are stay at home. So, our today's discussion topic will be about the derivation of equation of motion by graphical method. Means here we will derive the equation of motions by using graphs. So today we're gonna discuss about the first equation of motion, that is v is equals to u plus at. Means v is equals to u plus at means this. So today we will prove this equation, and the next part of videos we will prove the s is equals to ut plus half at square and v square is equals to u square plus 2as. These are the three equation of motion that we can prove in this series, and that is the derivation of equation of motion by graphical methods. And know this graphs are like this. This is the y-axis and that is x-axis. That is a simple picture of a graph. Now, what is the derivation of equation of motion by graphs? Okay, I will give you the heading, that is by graph. So this is, here we will use the graph that is VT graph, velocity time graph. So at first we can know there are three equation of motions, that is, the one is v is equals to u plus at, the second one is s is equals to ut plus half at square, and third is v square is equals to u square plus 2as. These are the three equation of motions that we can read in class 9, class 11, in the chapter of kinematics, in the chapter of motion and rest. So now at first we can prove, in this video will be prove the v is equals to u plus at, the first equation of motion, that is v is equals to u plus at. And this graph, here we will put the velocity and here we will put the time t. Because of this the initial velocity is not zero, so we can start the graph as this. Okay, means this and to time this, to reaching the final velocity. This is the initial velocity u and this is the final velocity v. To reaching the final velocity it will be takes time t. Okay, so I will give the name, that is O A B C. To proving this we can take the slope of the graph. So what is the slope? Slope means the tan theta. Tan theta is the slope. So what is the tan theta? Is perpendicular by base. Okay, I will draw this. Is it a triangle? This is the perpendicular and this is the base, isn't it? Okay, so I will give the name, that is O A B C D. Okay, that's all. So now we will prove it. Here I will write, that is tan theta means perpendicular by base. So what is the perpendicular? That is BD. BD is perpendicular. So we will write that BD total, that is CD minus BD. Okay, the total is CB. Okay, the total is CB. So in this, so we'll write that tan theta of this is perpendicular, means this, that is BD minus CD by the base. Base means AD. AD is the base of this triangle, isn't Okay, so I will write that is AD. They have also a name, that is F. So is the OD is equals to F? Is the OD is equals to F? So I will write here that OD, we can change name, that is OD. I will not write here the OD, we will write that OF. Okay, so what the OF representing? The OF representing as T. Okay, and what is the BD? Means this BD minus this CD. Okay, so what I will write that BD minus CD means V minus the U, because BD representing the final velocity and CD, this is the initial velocity, so V minus U. So we can read equation and we can know a name, that is acceleration. Okay, so what do you mean by the acceleration? That is the rate of change of velocity. Yeah, so the rate of change of velocity means acceleration. So final velocity minus initial velocity by time means, what is this? Final V change in velocity by time means rate of change of velocity. Is it the acceleration? So I will write here acceleration. And now we will do, that is V minus U is equals to AT. So what we can prove? That is V is equals to U plus AT. When you get here, that is minus can change into plus. So that is the proof of this, proved by graphical method. Okay, I hope the whole thing is clear. If it is clear, then thank you, bye bye, see you, take care of yourself and stay motivated, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.